I won 100% of the trades that I placed and closed this week just gone. It's Friday right now. It's Good Friday. The market's closed. We placed one trade every single day this week. That's four trades. All four trades won. 100% success rate. Was it luck? Was it skill? I'm going to show you the trades that I placed and how you can get involved. So the first thing is we've got the SPY open. Okay, so let's have a look at the trades that we placed for the SPY. As we can see, these are the trades over the past 7 days. So starting at the bottom is the first trade, and there's only 3 trades here, and I'm going to show you the fourth in just a second. So this account is a very small account, way less than the $25,000 threshold for where you are no longer under the PDT rule. So we are under the PDT rule in this account. Okay, that's going to be important in just a second. This is a very small account. This is just to prove that anyone with any size account can make money in the markets following what I do, or trading in the style that I trade at least. So the first trade, they were all 0 day to expiration trades. The first trade was an iron condor that we placed. We sold an iron condor, collected $1.43 and closed it out within 2 hours for $1, and we paid $1.07. So we made $36 on this trade, which was a very nice percentage increase in our net liquidity in this portfolio. And again, Tuesday, same thing. We sold another iron condor, 0 day to expiration, $1.25 we sold it for, and we paid 93 cents to close, and we made another $32. And again, on Wednesday, we sold another iron condor, 0 day to expiration, and we collected $1.37, and we closed it for $1.03, and we made $34. Now, to show you the fourth trade, we did the fourth trade on /ES because only equities come under the PDT rule, right? Or at the very least, futures do not come under the PDT rule. And the PDT rule states that you cannot make more than 3 day trades in any given 5 business day rolling period. So we used our 3 up to the limit, went up to the limit of 3 day trades, and then to make more, because this was in the same 5 day rolling business period, to make more, we switched over to futures and we traded on /ES, and we basically placed the exact same trade, the exact same thing, exact same numbers almost. And we just managed to, and basically what that allowed us to do was bypass the PDT rule, because futures does not come under the PDT rule. So that's a little loophole hack for you to use. So the fourth trade, exact same thing. As you can see, the trade setup is the same. It's basically, well, it is the exact same trade. SPY, SPX, ES, MES, it's all the same thing. So we sold for $3.20, closed for $2.40. Of course, the contract multiplier is different for futures, so that's why, you know, it looks like an 80-cent profit here, and in equities that would be $80, but in futures, just due to the contract multiplier, is $40. So we kept the same risk metrics, we kept the same, you know, sort of style, the setup, everything was the same, and this was our fourth position. Big major secret there: if your account is under 25,000, you can use futures to bypass that. Okay, so those are the 4 trades. I'm going to show you a very quick trade that you might want to put on. Of course, it's a Friday, market's closed right now, it's Good Friday, so the next available expiration date we have is Monday, April 21st, which is in 3 days time. And we're just going to pretend it's the market open, and you know, you're going to want to sell at around the 20 delta mark. You want to kind of use a bit of intuition. Sometimes being on the edge of the expected move is good. Sometimes being around 20 delta is good. Just kind of use your intuition a little bit. You need to play around with the strike, see how much premium you can collect. Depends on what's happening in the markets. Depends on what the IV rank is, etc. All that kind of stuff. But as a general guideline to start off with, you want to start off with the 20 delta, and you want to kind of go as wide as possible. You know, ideally, you know, $20 wide, $15 wide minimum. We just went $10 wide, which is still perfectly profitable. It's just over $15, and it's just a lot better. But just due to the size of our account, we were restricted with how wide we could make our spread, so we just stuck to $10 wide. And this is kind of what the trade setup looked like. Our max profit, we collected at around $170, $180. We had a buying power requirement of around $300 to $400 and a max loss of about $300. We had a pop of about 65%, but you're wondering, how did you win every single trade? Well, 100% success rate this week with a 65% pop, which is probability of profit. And the reason how is because of the way that we managed our trades, and we managed very early, and we managed and exited the trades no later than at 25% of max profit. And that's a major key. And that's how you can significantly boost your win rate and your success. So if you want to get involved yourself with these trades, you can do so. Click the link in the description. There is a free position sizing template that you can use that looks like this, that you can get a copy of completely free. This will tell you how you need to be structuring your portfolio and the maximum amount of buying powers you should be allocating to your positions. But the more important thing, if you want to get access to these trades, click on EDS Premium, get yourself signed up. Inside, we give you access to this exact portfolio inside the membership, and you get to see all the positions that we place in real time, how we manage, how we adjust, when we close, etc. Everything's in real time. You can copy us, reverse engineer our trades, study it. It's completely up to you. There's also a full course as well, so we'll teach you everything that you need to know. You don't need to have any prior knowledge. And it is a private community. So if you get stuck, you can speak with myself, you can speak with other members that are inside. And there's also a 100% money back guarantee. So once you have studied the full course and followed some of our trades, if you're not profitable after 6 months, we'll work with you for free until you are, or you can just simply request a full refund. So it's completely risk-free. It's $9.99 a month to join right now. The price will be increasing, but once you're in, the price is locked in for you for life. So you are rewarded for getting in early. And once this wave of members is full, we will be increasing the price. And the aim of EDS Premium is to teach you the skill. We do not want to keep you dependent on us. We want to give you the skill, and once you've learned it, no one can take it from you. It's a very powerful thing to know, and we aim to get you to that point of where you are self-sufficient within 6 to 12 months. So with that being said, I will see you guys on the inside.